This week on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be quieting down this Audi. Let's take a look. So on Audis, as well as most German cars, you have a stainless steel exhaust system, meaning that it'll last a lot longer before it rusts off. But however, there's always a weak spot. On these cars, it's these clamps that link the back half to the front half of the exhaust system. They're, as you can see, not completely made of stainless. They have a galvanized metal that tends to rot away, and once it rots away, it produces a hole between the pipes, making a loud pitter.
Let's give it a little rev.
The internet likes sparks. There we go. Are we?
Sliding up her head. A very oddly shaped head.
Oh yeah. Right side.
It's nice and quiet now.
So before taking your Audi to an exhaust shop looking to have a major portions of the system replaced, bring it around to a good mechanic that will be able to replace just the sleeve, the German original part. Until next week, this is Jordan on Tech Tip Tuesday.